Hi everyone, this is Divya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to decide your career after class 12. See, this is a very important step which you need to take after class 12, and this will going to decide whole of your life. So you have to take this decision very carefully. The course you want to pursue, you have to think about some of the points before going for that course. The first point, the first thing that you need to focus is interest, where you are having interest. See, we should do only that course in which we are having interest. We should not do any course which our parents are having interest or which other person is having interest. Like if I am good in drawing, so I can become a good artist, right? It's not necessary that everybody is good in studies. Everybody is genius in one or other field. It's just that you have to find your creativity, you have to find in which field you are good, right? The second thing which you have to be careful about is do proper planning for the thing or for the course you want to do. If I'm going to tell you an example, if I have to go by a train, I have to buy a ticket for it, I have to decide a destination for it, right? I will be taking clothes according to that weather of place. So everything goes by a planning. This thing same happens in our course also. The course you want to pursue, you will be having proper planning for it, right? If someone going to ask you why you are doing BBA, you should be answerable to it, why you are doing so, right? The third thing you should keep in mind is stay away from negative people. The people who used to give you negative advices, just stay away from those, right? Many of you will be going to hear that BTech students are not getting job, but let me tell you that software engineers demands are becoming increasing day by day. If you are knowing about the environment, that the Flipkart, Amazon, Zomato all are doing online jobs, right? All are doing online businesses. So who are going to handle these things? Software engineers. So you can be knowing that in future also software engineer demands will be too high, right? So always stay away from negative people. The next thing that you have to keep in mind is always go for alternate courses. Like if you are going for a BBA, you should do a computer course along with it. You can go for an English speaking course, you can do an accountancy course. This will going to help you in doing job in each and every field. Like if you are going for an interview, English speaking will going to help you there if you are weak in that. The computer will going to help you in doing presentations. Accountancy, if you are having not able to find out a good job, you can become a good accountant, right? So these courses will going to help you in each and every field. The next thing which you need to keep in your mind is multiple sources of money. You should always have multiple sources of money. With a single money source, you will be able to fulfill just your needs, not your wishes. But with multiple sources, you will be able to fulfill your wishes also and your family wishes also. So just always go for multiple sources of money. Right? If I am a teacher, if you give an example, like if I am a teacher, in the morning I can teach in a school, in the evening I can go for a coaching classes, and during my free time I can teach in a YouTube channel. If my YouTube channel will grow, I will be able to earn money from there also, right? So we should always have multiple sources of money. So if you have heard an example of CEO of Google, if you know who is CEO of Google, it's very good. If you don't know, just Google it today. You will come to know that he is a young personality and he is earning more than 1 crore per month. Do you know why? If not, let me tell you, because he is creative, he has different thinking. That's why he is earning more than 1 crore per month. If I give an example of APJ Abdul Kalam, he is an average person like all of us, but he used to do hard work. His hard work make him sentence, his hard work make him known to whole of the world, right? So these are the things which you need to keep in your mind before going for any of the course you want to pursue. Thank you so much.